Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have some groundbreaking news in the world of AI. Microsoft has just released a new research paper on Orca, a truly revolutionary AI model that's taking the field by storm. Orca learns from the complex explanations of GPT-4, the most powerful language model in the world. This is a huge deal, and in this video I'm going to break down what Orca is all about and why it's so important for the future of AI. What is Orca, and why is it so important? So, let's dive into the details. Orca is a 13 billion parameter model that learns from complex explanation traces of GPT-4. Now, you might wonder, why create a smaller model that learns from a bigger one? Isn't bigger always better in AI? While bigger models like GPT-4 are indeed more powerful, they come with significant drawbacks. They are resource-intensive and require substantial computing power and energy to train and run. Additionally, these large models are not easily accessible to most researchers and developers due to their high costs and specialized infrastructure requirements. The problem with smaller models. Well, not exactly. While bigger models like GPT-4 are powerful, they come with some drawbacks. They are expensive to train and run, require vast computing resources, and aren't accessible to most researchers and developers. Smaller models, on the other hand, are more cost-effective and can be trained and deployed on relatively standard hardware. However, there is a trade-off. Smaller models tend to have limited reasoning and comprehension abilities compared to their larger counterparts. When faced with complex or ambiguous queries, these smaller models often make mistakes, provide irrelevant answers, or lack the ability to explain their reasoning. How Orca overcomes the drawbacks. This is where Orca comes in. It's not just another smaller model that imitates a bigger one. Orca is a model that learns from GPT-4's reasoning process by analyzing the detailed explanations it generates for various tasks. Orca is designed to bridge the gap between the power of large models like GPT-4 and the efficiency of smaller models. Instead of simply imitating GPT-4, Orca focuses on understanding the underlying reasoning process of GPT-4 through the explanations it provides for its answers. This unique approach allows Orca to learn from GPT-4's rich problem-solving strategies, logical connections between information, and how it simplifies complex concepts. How Orca works. By learning from GPT-4's explanations, Orca becomes much more capable and intelligent than other models. It can handle more diverse and challenging tasks, provide more accurate and relevant answers, and it can also explain its own reasoning process to humans. Orca's learning process involves analyzing the explanation traces provided by GPT-4. These explanations are not simple sentences or phrases, but detailed step-by-step traces of how GPT-4 thinks and arrives at its answers. By understanding GPT-4's reasoning, Orca gains deep insights into how to approach various tasks effectively. Explanation tuning, a fresh approach. Orca's secret lies in a technique called explanation tuning. It enhances GPT-4's ability to follow specific directives and refines the AI with prompts like, "Summarize this in a sentence," or "Create a love haiku." But explanation tuning goes beyond that. It hones GPT-4 to reveal its thought process using prompts like, "Think sequentially," or "Explain like I'm a child." Explanation tuning is a novel approach that takes GPT-4's reasoning capabilities to the next level. By providing specific prompts, Orca fine-tunes GPT-4 to follow directives with precision. For example, Orca can instruct GPT-4 to think sequentially, breaking down complex problems into step-by-step solutions, or explain concepts as if speaking to a child, making the reasoning process more transparent. Utilizing explanation traces. Orca taps into a massive collection of over 1,000 tasks and 10,000 instructions called FLAN 2022 to obtain explanation traces. These traces are not just simple sentences or phrases, they are detailed views of how GPT-4 thinks step by step, uses logic and common sense, connects different pieces of information, and simplifies complex concepts. FLAN 2022 serves as a valuable resource for Orca's learning process. It contains a diverse range of tasks and instructions covering various subjects. Orca samples from this extensive collection to query GPT-4 for detailed explanation traces. These traces provide a wealth of information on how GPT-4 tackles different tasks, making Orca's learning process more comprehensive and insightful. Benchmark performances. Now let's see how Orca performs in various benchmarks. It scores impressively in tasks requiring deeper reasoning, beating out other open-source models like Vicuna 13b, Text DaVinci 003, ChatGPT, and even competes with GPT-4 itself in certain tasks. Let's take a closer look at some of the benchmark results. Orca's performance in benchmarks showcases its exceptional capabilities. In the Big Bench Hard (BBH) benchmark, Orca scores a 64% accuracy, more than double Vicuna 13b's 30%, and surpassing ChatGPT's 59% and GPT-4's 62%. On the Super Glue (SG) benchmark, Orca achieves an 86% average, beating Vicuna 13b's 81%, Text DaVinci 003's 83%, ChatGPT's 84%, and nearly matching GPT-4's 88%. Orca's versatility in tasks. On the CNN Daily Mail (CDM) benchmark, Orca earns a Rugal score of 41, outperforming Vicuna 13b's 38%, Text DaVinci 003's 39%, ChatGPT's 40%, and closing in on GPT-4's 42%. In the Cocoa Captions (CC) benchmark, Orca scores a CIDR of 120, higher than Vicuna 13b's 113%, Text DaVinci 003's 115%, ChatGPT's 117%, and GPT-4's 119%. Orca's versatility is demonstrated through its impressive performance across various benchmarks. In the CNN Daily Mail benchmark, Orca showcases its skill in text summarization, providing more accurate and coherent summaries. In the Cocoa Captions benchmark, Orca excels in generating image captions, offering more creative and contextually relevant descriptions. The future of AI with Orca. The success of Orca reveals exciting insights for AI's future. Firstly, learning from explanations as opposed to just answers notably boosts AI intelligence and performance. Secondly, Orca proves that despite their size, smaller models can match or outperform larger ones when learning from complex explanations. And thirdly, Orca's open-source nature brings wider accessibility, benefiting a broader community of researchers and developers. Orca's breakthrough in learning from explanations is a significant step forward for AI. Understanding how AI models arrive at their answers allows us to build more transparent and trustworthy systems. It also paves the way for AI to be more inclusive, making advanced models like GPT-4 more accessible to researchers and developers worldwide, fostering greater innovation and collaboration in the field of AI. And that's a wrap for today's video. I hope you found this information on Orca intriguing and eye-opening. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends and colleagues. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you stay updated with the latest AI breakthroughs. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.